Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network connection error problem on the application of Hello. You will go to settings. You should follow me step by step. In the first, we will go to settings as you see, and you will click here. In this page, you will scrolling down until you find this page of apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find this application of Hello like this. Or if you didn't find or you don't find your application in this list, you will click in this sign on above and you will write the name of this application here to search about it. And here you will click. In this page of app info, you will go to notifications. Here you will check if this notification turn on. If it's not, you will find it like this, but you should click in this sign here to turn on these notifications. Then you will go to permissions. You will enter and you will check if all these permissions are allowed like this, especially this permission of notifications. If you want, also you can allow the permission of location. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to this window of storage. Here in this page of storage, you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will wait a moment, then you will turn on your Wi-Fi again, and after that you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Hello app and then you will update your app on Play Store or in App Store as you see in this page. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.